This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Mine wasn't bad, actually. Can't complain. Hopefully I'll have a good week. Today's the day I have to pass that account. And you know what I forgot about? I forgot we're still doing the coin flip strategy. How cool is that? Good morning, Mike Stunts. So far, the coin flip strategy is 5 for 6. That is 84%, if I'm not mistaken. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, let's see what happened overnight. I know Woodchip sent me an image. Looks like you had a decent trade there going on a short at around 11 p.m. Eastern time. You probably got stopped out. I'm looking here. We made a high at 2 in the morning. 8 p.m. for him was 11 p.m. So he got short around here. Well, I don't know, 52, maybe. It depends if he held for 30 points against him. I don't think so, though. It looked like he had a stop in there. Well, if he did have a stop and he got stopped out, right idea, wrong. I mean, good idea, but bad timing, or whatever that expression is. You can have the right idea, but if you got the timing wrong, well, maybe he hit it again. Actually, 2 in the morning is only 11:30 at night for him. He's on the West Coast. Anyways, what do we look at? Let's start. Let's be consistent. Every morning, I start with the 30-minute chart, Asian session, looking for the 1-2 punch. And we got it. We took out the Asia session highs. And now we've taken out, well, I mean earlier, but we've taken out the Asia session lows. That means that at some point today, we have an 80% chance of taking out the Asia session highs again. That's a target of 23,567. Yesterday, we were talking in the overnight stream whether or not we're going to fill the gap. I said that I had high confidence, greater than a 50% probability we were going to take out the gap. We didn't overnight. So I guess theoretically I'm wrong, because I think we were talking about that being an overnight trade. But I will continue to watch it anyways, regardless. We're at 23,501. Let me mark off or load all the strategies. I think we're only but like, go to the daily. Change 81. Okay, well, it's saying 81 on the daily for Ninja Trader, but I still can't figure out where they're getting their data from. What time is the close on the daily? Because it's not matching the close on the 1-minute chart, which is fucking ridiculous, because we are up 53 points. So obviously, if they're up 80, 46, that's about 16. So their close is somewhere around here. How is that even possible? There is no close. It's 11 in the morning. How can they have a close? Well, let's figure it out. Let's go to the data box. Their close is 23,421 for Friday. Maybe that's settlement in some strange way, based on the cash. Can't be though. 23,421. I think that's I don't know. Well, let's look at that's 23,421 right there. We do have a close at 23,421, sort of. 4 o'clock. Is that what they're using, the 4 o'clock close? If they were using the 4 o'clock close, why would they use the close as the 5 o'clock close on the 1 minute? And what happens to the daily at 4 o'clock? It doesn't continue printing? I should watch that and see what happens. That's it. It stops printing. Let's see if this is the daily. Let's go to the data box. 23,421. No, 422.50, but close enough. Well, let's go to 4 o'clock the day before and see. There we are. Bring it up. Data box. 4 o'clock. 324. Let's go to the daily. 377.50 on the right, 377.50 on the 24th. Let's go back over here and confirm we're on the 24th. We are not on the 24th. This is the 24th. Okay, my mistake. Before, I shouldn't have laughed at them. 376.50. Okay, so they're using 4 o'clock. I'm curious. I gotta watch the daily chart. Good morning, Mike Stunts. I don't even know if I said that. Sorry about that. I think I thought it, or maybe I said it. I know I thought it. Oh, camera's there. I know I thought it. Oh, I did. Okay, so I thought it and I said it. I just did. What I didn't do was remember. Oh, Lord. Okay, so we got that taken care of. Woo! Wow, I'm in trouble today. Thank God I don't trade biases or opinions on where we're going to go, because we're below VWAP, but we're above the previous day's high. Not a contradiction, but a bit of a problem there, because being above the previous day's high is bullish for me. Being below VWAP is bearish for me. We're below the Asian session lows. That's bearish for me. But we took out the high, and then we took out the low of the Asian session. That's bullish for me. We're above the previous day's close, so we're green. That's bullish. Oh my God, look at the daily chart. Whoo-wee Nelly, that's bullish. Wouldn't be looking to catch consolidation nation. Maybe. I don't know. I think that's a prediction. Right now we're slowly grinding higher pretty much every day on the daily, but possible. We'll see. Everything is possible. Let me take a look at the 5 minute. Can you believe it? I'm looking at the 5 minute charts now, guys. Yeah. Okay, so now let's look at my gauges, my airplane gauges. Which tells me which way the wind is blowing. And it's just as bad. Higher time frame Renko is bullish, lower time frame Renko is bearish. What about here? Here we're potentially crossing over into bullish on the black pants. Okay, whoa. Great, that's good news for me, because I have to pass an account today. It looks like the markets are going to make it really interesting for me. I got 150 to go. You know what I decided to do? I'm going to trade it with my longer term system. How's that for putting myself to the test? Hey, Yothis, how's it going? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I forgot to ask you, or maybe I asked you. I don't remember. That's one thing you'll know. You know what we should call this channel? We should call this channel I Have No Memory. I don't remember. Wouldn't I be great on the witness stand? Where were you the night of the 15th? I don't remember. What were you doing yesterday? I don't remember. Why is there blood on your shirt? I don't remember. Yo, this, I could look it up, but you're here. What time is it in Qatar? Maybe I asked, what's the difference in the time zone? I can go open up Google and it's so much quicker to ask you. 3:40 p.m. Where's my time? 8:40. 7 hours. Well, it's like Greece, I think. I think Greece is 7 hours ahead. I have some Greek friends. I know when they call their relatives at 9 o'clock at night, they're waking them up at 4 in the morning. Actually, the Greeks live a good life. They go out for supper at 2 in the morning. So, hey, it's true. Guys, hit the like button early. Always, I won't say always. Potentially, maybe, helps out the channel. I don't even fucking know. I don't even know if that really makes a difference. Let's test it. How's that? Am I even pronouncing your name right? Yothis? Way to go! Woohoo! Hold on, let's get something going for that. All right. Thank you very much. All joking aside, it's always appreciated, guys. Really, it is. It really, really is. I actually have a, yes, you are pronouncing better than most. Well, where, I don't know, I don't want to get too personal, but Yothis, where is, what name is Yothis? Is your middle name, which I would pronounce Varghese, or Varghese, seems Irish. I'm not a big look. I don't have a lot of knowledge about Irish names, but it just reads Irish to me. Matthew reads American, and Yothis reads South African to me. I'm just making this stuff up. I'm just saying what the feelings it gives me. I have no idea. I'm not a historian on names. Or Finlandian, Swedish. You know, if someone told me the name was Yothis, I'd say, okay, Swedish, Finland, South African. It's like a buffet of names. I'm not picking on you. It's just very interesting. Okay. And the am I pronouncing that one right? Is it? Let's start with one of them, because if I give you two options, how do you answer on text? So, is it Varghese? Varghese? You know, something like that. So just give me a yes or a no. Then I'll give you the other one. Varghese, or is that one of those right? Var. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's is the E at the end silent? Varghese? No, easy. Okay. So I was doing it right. Just easy. Yeah, I'm gonna call you Easy. There you go. You just got your name. Easy. Easy Varghese. I love it. I love it. Guess who's getting a meme? I don't know if you've seen the memes, but we got memes on this channel. I can't forget that. And you know what? With my empty memory, if I don't write that down in like 2 minutes, I've forgotten. Easy Varghese. That's one of the best ones so far. No! No! You look, you put E. Oh no! You wrote no. E-S-E-E-E-E-E. No easy. You just ruined it. You just ruined it. How about on this channel we change the pronunciation to easy, to Varghese? Is that okay? Just for this channel. Is it 5-1? Yeah, it's 5 winners, 1 loss. You give me permission for this channel to change the pronunciation to Varghese? From now till death do we part? That's what we say when people, maybe you don't know that expression. We use that expression over here at certain times. I shorten my name to Jay here in Qatar. Oh, that works too. My dad had a name people couldn't pronounce. He changed his name to Henry. But Jay, Easy J doesn't go good. But Easy Varghese, I love it, man. That's like a fucking nickname you put on a shirt. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny, eh? Accents. I always find that interesting, how an accent prevents you from saying something properly in another language. It's like your mouth can't move in that way. Shit, I live in Quebec. I can't even do the French accent. You hear me speaking French? You want to call a doctor and put a helmet on me, you think I'm mentally challenged. They laugh when I speak French. Even the French people here who almost refuse to ever speak English, when they hear me speak French, they switch to English right away. Where are you? I'm not. I'm based in Canada. Canada. It's French. The only place I know they speak French in U.S., I think, is in maybe New Orleans. Is that possible? Maybe Louisiana? I would think New Orleans. I think they have some French in New Orleans. Yeah, no, I'm Canadian. That's why I'm wearing a sweater sometimes in the middle of summer. We don't have a very warm summer over here. People are looking at me, they're sweating in 96-degree heat, and I'm wearing a t-shirt and a sweatshirt, and I'm shivering. It's the middle of July. Actually, I can't complain. We're having warm weather now. Actually, we're in the 40s, they're saying, with the humidity. High 30s. Oh, I don't know if you know Celsius or Fahrenheit. I know nothing about Qatar. I think you use Celsius though. I think US is the only place that still is off the that is the only place left that's not on the metric system. The only holdout. Okay, I gotta get organized. Because I don't want to fuck up that account. So we're going to trade small, like Joker said yesterday. Absolutely. Let's get Take Profit Trader account open also. Since they both kind of need to be traded. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, so let's get the Apex copier out. You know the copier that Qatar is a small country. Going to be 100. Holy shit, you're not wearing a sweater in that weather. Or maybe you are. I was telling my daughter yesterday, I was seeing some people, I don't know if you heard my journey that really never goes very far, where I want to lose weight. Actually, we're back on it again today. Anyways, that's not the point. Point is, I'm telling my daughter that, some people, they think in the hot weather they sweat. And if they sweat more, they're going to lose weight. It's not fucking sweating. I'm going to put pants on. It's not sweating. Do you know where your weight goes? How it comes out of your body? How it disappears? We researched it because I was curious. I'm a curious guy. Then my daughter told her teacher. He argued with her, said, no, you're wrong. She said, no, I'm right. Holy shit. Holy shit. No, I don't believe you. 55's not 100. 55's 120. Oh, Mike said 100. Okay. I don't know. Come on. That's not possible. I don't even think the Sahara gets that. You're going to make me look it up now. Anyways, you breathe it out. That's where your weight. That's your exhaust. Yeah, I am. I confirm everything. My kids and the family hates it. Dad, you don't believe us? No, I do. I just want to confirm it. Mistakes are made. I like, it's like a second opinion. Don't be hard on me. Okay, 90 to 100 in the U.S. often. Yeah. I wanted to move to Arizona. I got a MCSA, Microsoft Certified Systems Administrator. No, MCSE, Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer. So I did that. Got I'm just bragging now. Got the highest score in the whole province on the exams. And plan was to move to the U.S. just as we were getting married. Keto breath. No, not keto breath, but you breathe out. That's where your weight goes, or that's not how you lose weight. You don't lose weight by breathing, but that's where the weight is dissipated. I don't know what word to use. Let's go to GPT, because my daughter almost got thrown out of class for that. And she challenged him in front of the principal's office. Microsoft would love your perspective. Yeah? Go fuck yourself. Where does the weight go when we lose weight? Do we sweat it out? No, I already know the answer. Great question. The answer might surprise you. When you lose weight, most of the fat leaves your body as carbon dioxide. Here's actually how it breaks down. Fat is stored in your body as triglycerides. When your body needs energy, it breaks down through a process called oxidation. The result, now here's some kind of fat plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, energy. 84% of the fat is exhaled as carbon dioxide. Yes, you literally breathe it out. This is from ChatGPT. Control, copy. So there we go. There we go. And you guys thought I was making it up, right? You learn something new every day. Or maybe you guys knew. Yothis, it's Yothis, Qatar. Oh, yeah, there you go. Hook scrolled up. Basically, from south of India, settled in Qatar for last year. Wow. Quit my job 2 years ago. Wow. Yeah, you're making money trading. Go right into it, butter. How much you making, Yothis? Show me the statements. Yothis, you didn't know you come here, you get audited, right? Oh, my God. Yothis, do you pay your taxes? For some strange reason, Qatar sounds like a place where they don't have taxes. They don't have tax. It sounds like a place where you wouldn't have taxes. It's weird. I feel like there's no income tax there. I don't know how I get these feelings, but I do. Oh my God, look at that. You see? I guess these are all things that I heard like 10 years ago or whatever, and it just sat in the back of my brain, and it's not a memory anymore. It's a feeling. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I got a little bit of stress here, eh? I got a pickle. Oh shit, no, I don't have a pickle. First, maybe not. Maybe they fucking charged me a day early. Could you imagine they charged me a day early and then I go out and screw up because I want to pass because I don't want them to charge me? Better go find this out. Yeah, no tax. There's some fantastic states in the U.S. that have no state tax, as far as I know. I think Florida's one of them. I think Maine is one of them also. That's so phenomenal. But who knows? Maybe they have a higher federal tax if they have no State tax, I don't even know. It's possible, maybe, right? Maybe. Okay, I have 64 emails. Let me look for... Oh, great. My wife's still buying shit on... Oh, my God. My wife bought boob tape. I'm not joking. Two-pack. Oh, two-pack. One for each boob. What else did she fucking buy? In the title. I can't get the title out here. Okay, top one trader. August volatility explosion. Question mark, question mark, question mark. If there's a question mark, it means no. So if you see a... no, they didn't charge me yet. Apex trader funding. Okay, let's go look. How long is this 90% off sale going on for? Bum, 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 bum. 1 day, 15 hours, so it's till tomorrow night. Okay, cool. Anybody uses Apex, still 90% off. Oil money. Here, no tax system, oil money. Okay, so what am I doing? You are getting minimized. I need to be on the positions tab just in case. Always check the orders tab. Make sure, where's my copier? It just disappeared. I know I set it up. Why is it not front and center? Let's make it always on top. Is that an option? It is now. Don't need it to go away. It just disappeared again. Oh my fucking God. You gotta be fucking kidding me. What a fucking stupid program. Always on top doesn't work. Guess it doesn't know the meaning of always on top. Oh, now it's gone. Now it's just somewhere. Even clicking on it doesn't bring it up. No, nobody sees it. Okay, we close it. Holy shit, Lamard. Oh, you see, I swear in French. Start again. Maybe I should trade Bitcoin. Oh, sorry about that. Is it even working? Yeah, it is, eh? You got the output? I missed the morning session. Not sure what the morning session is. I thought this was the morning session. Okay, let's copy this. Duplicate new tab. And let's do Bitcoin. Okay, do I need this open? Not really, eh? Maybe. Okay, we gotta fix that. For me, it's morning. Huh. You mean your sleep schedule is off right now? You're just waking up now around, What'd you say? 9, 10, 11, 12 at 4 in the afternoon? You quit your job. You shouldn't be on an off schedule. You should get back to a regular rhythm.
Order canceled.
Okay. Just going to do a one lot. Hey, if we can get a 40-point drop on this one lot, that'll almost get me to the finish line. Ha ha! Revenge trading and trading like a maniac is not trading, it's gambling, and it's not sustainable. Plan your trades, trade your plan, which includes a PDLL. For those of you, too bad I missed the Bitcoin. Could have been up also a little bit in Bitcoin. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I might take a two lot. Might get a trade short in Topstep also. Let me get my clicker. The trade in Topstep will be at 06. 06 on the offering has to hold for 1 minute. What am I short at? I'm short at 09. 06 and 09. That's going to give me a 750 average, which is a little bit better, right? Better than 06 for two lot. Nah, I don't think I'm going to take it. I'll just hold this one. I'll hold this one. Short term, everything is showing to be bearish right now, for me at least. Except for over here on the 1 minute, we got bullish momentum that came in at 7 o'clock, but the bearish momentum is starting to creep up. Hopefully we can get back on top. We will see. Again, let me just review. Boom, 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 boom. 15 minute. We're below VWAP, but it could want to revisit VWAP, but of course it could also want to revisit and touch previous day's high at 477. That would be cool. Might even happen. Let's take out the London session lows. Let's go down to 70. That would be 40 points. That'll be 80. Yeah, that'll be half my job on a one lot. Problem is, this is going to be an area probably of a likely bounce. So I'm going to put in my buy limit right there. Why a likely bounce? Well, we got the London lows and the previous day's high. In my opinion, very unlikely we just blast right through it. It's too bad I don't have a two lot though, because I would have taken a partial here and kind of have no risk on the trade. Why didn't you guys tell me to take a two lot? Let's get my phone going. Oh, yeah? No kidding. You're right. I talked to myself. You're right. I forgot. Beautiful. Still going lower. 92, 80. I got 12 points to go. Ooh-wee. You see, this is the part, Mike, that I find the hardest. Right here. Because if it reverses, It's like, I got halfway to target. Really? I have to give it all up? Yeah, you do, Mike. Not you, Mike, me, Mike. You got to give it all up if you want to hold for a larger gain. You can't be taking half. That's the problem. And if my target is half, well, then when it gets halfway to half, I'm going to say, ooh, it's going to be the same logic again. So we leave it. What am I doing? I took your advice, comma.
Order canceled.
Sorry about that. That happens often on this channel. Get used to it. I was saying, shit, I didn't hang on for my full target. I couldn't. I didn't want it to turn on me. I took 85%, but it took care of 33% of my problem. Instead of having 150 to pass, now I only have $100 to pass the account. Before they bill me, they're billing me tomorrow. That's why. So I want to pass it today. So that's the issue. But I don't want to cause damage. So I only took a 1 lot. And yeah, yesterday I was saying I was going to take a 10 lot and just hope for like 7 points, which would have been $150, and risk 10 points on a really good setup. But I think what Joker said last night is better. I'm going to do it with 1s, 2s, and 3s. And get there slowly. I can get there in the day, and fuck it. I don't have to be a hero and take care of it right away. It's probably the smartest thing. It's never smart to be a hero in the market. The markets know when you're trying to be a hero, and they slap you. I swear to God, if I were to trade 5 minis, I don't think I would have a winning trade for 10 years straight. I would go at 0% accuracy. Markets are funny like that. That was a good trade, though. I caught it. How many points did I catch? First execution should be easy to see. Oh, wow. They're showing me all my executions. I sold at 08. I covered at 84. Not too bad. My TP was at like 80, so that's not bad. 08, 60, took out 24 points. Ooh, I thought I got more than that. I wanted 40. But like I said, we got London lows here, and we got the previous day's high. The likelihood of a bounce is high, greater than 50%. How's that? That's the best way to say it. The likelihood of a bounce here is greater than 50%. Positions, orders, nothing. Clear up my orders just in case. Cancel all orders, positions. Ooh, one of the most difficult things, I think, taking longer term trades like this. Waiting for the next setup. My goodness, now it can be years. Could be a half an hour away. What do we do in this time? In this dead time? Something just happened. Hey, so you didn't answer me, Yothis. Hold on. Yeah, Yothis sounds Greek also. Oh yeah, it's true. I said that last time because I have a friend from Greece named Stathis. The THIS. I think there's a few Greek names that end in THIS. So I can, what the fuck? I can go with Varghese. Easy Varghese for your meme. If you don't like it, it's fine. I could stick with J. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I'll show you what a meme is. Just, and maybe you don't even know. Maybe you don't even know. I don't know if you've seen them. We got this guy called Skeletor. Comes in the channel. Skelly. So this is his meme. Let me hold on. I'm trying to get it. Let me close this. Makes my life easier. There we go. This is what a meme is. I'll show you two of them. That's where Skeletor Emperor. We call him Skeleton Explorer. And what do we got? We got Ruinava, who's not here yet. Nah, we'll play Jokers. I like Jokers. Where's Jokers? Now you know what I'm talking about when I say a meme. Bitcoin, nice trade. 120, 105 was a short, approximately. Maybe a little bit lower, maybe 120, 050. Now it's up $350 because it's trade will be up $50. So what's the likelihood we take out close the gap? Hey, wait a minute. I may not be wrong, guys. I said yesterday there's a greater than not chance we take out the previous day's close, we fill the gap. I kind of meant before the markets opened when I said the overnight session. For me, I have till 9:30 to be right. Just saying. Just saying. Wow, that's so crazy. How it looks like the other one all the time. I just don't know. Did it again. It's funny. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go refill my coffee while we're waiting for the markets to open, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Where did everyone go? Where did I go? Okay, trying to get back on, figuring it out. It's usually 3 steps. Mic is on, that's 1. Camera is 2. And step number 3 is to get rid of that little billboard. Okay, so was I right or was I right? I said we would stop at, we would see some support at the London lows, which was right around the previous session's high, marked off by that green dash line. And yeah, we poked through it a little bit, no surprise. But we are holding here. I might be on my own today. Woo! It's gonna make my job tougher. You guys better start chatting. Took a look. Reply twice. That's so funny. I'm so confused. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure if Omnius is streaming today. Oh, upcoming. Okay, there we go. So I'm not on my own today. Shit, we have a trade. Shit, damn. Okay, I'm gonna take it. 71, I got filled at 70.50.
Order
Remove
canceled.
this. Go check my positions. It's all good and fine and dandy. Not going for a lot on this. 71, 63, around 64, 63, 67, 68. Hopefully we'll break lower and head for the 447 level. Hey, that was around what Woodchip was calling for, I think, on his chart. I didn't make a note of it, but yeah, it was in the 400s. 71, maybe I'll add at 79 if we get above there. I guess I got to trade it with no fear, right? Like I would normally trade it. That's what I would normally do. Although I'm trying to add less. I find adding is making my, well, I don't know that number. So, Yotis, if that's you, I'm not answering it. Hey, good morning, James. Good morning, James. Wow. My wife answered the phone. I would never answer the phone. It's always garbage. Well, I'm taking a bit of a chance here because we're 30 seconds away from the 928 imbalance report. And it usually causes a bit of a spurt. And I'm never on the right side of a spurt. 71.63. Let me put in a buy limit just in case it spurts in my favor. 8 seconds. If it doesn't spurt in my favor, 3, 2, 1, which, oh, it did. It spurted in my favor. Unfortunately, we were 6 points away. So there's a short imbalance. That's good news for me for this little position here. Hopefully I'll catch a break. Selling will come in. We're below the previous day's high. already at 477. Oh, what the fuck am I doing on the 30-minute chart? I keep thinking it's this, what, did the fucking candles not change? There we go. It's a little easier to see now on the 1-minute chart. So we got 2 consecutive closes. I have a full bar below, but we're not going. It's holding. It's holding. It's holding. I better put in a buy stop on this, because when the market's open, it can go fast. Buy stop. And I don't want to take, oops, that doesn't look like a good trade. That really doesn't look like a good trade. Not at this hour.
Order canceled.
Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. It's just going to go too fast. I won't be able to add. I won't be able to do what I normally do. Okay, we're getting ready to trade the Topstep ATM. 14 seconds. I'm sure because I got out, it's going to go to target. But it's okay. We'll trade carefully. In the meantime, close this. Change the camera, because what's his face? AM EST is probably going to show up soon. 77. Ooh, I would have added at 77. I missed it. I'll short there. I'll short there at 77. Come on, you're right there. Sell it.
Order
there
canceled.
we go. What? Just one?
Order canceled.
Close, close, close. Close. Excellent trade. Hit my target. Oh, it's back up there, huh? Quiet opening so far. Didn't go for the previous day's close. I'm surprised. Ooh, I'm experiencing stress. I can feel it. I can feel it. No, Butters. Yes, game previous days low could be why we pumped.
Order canceled.
I'm closing this trade. 2-minute OR. Let's watch for that. And let me check the bands. Ooh, the bands are going to go short again. But how am I going to go short right here on the previous day's high? Fuck it. I'm going to have to let it go. So the leader account has to get to $150. That's one of those $67 ones. It was at 70 something before. I was halfway there. One measly trade. Let's go take a look at ES. Yeah, ES. You're right. You're right. You're right. ES did come to previous, not only previous day's low, previous day's close. We didn't get the previous day's close. Last night we were talking about it. I said that we were going to close the gap. I meant before the US Open. So now I'm officially wrong. And I was smart and good not to take that trade short right at the previous day's high at 477. You know what? I can't watch ES because it causes me to make poor decisions. What do I mean by that? If I see ES starting to weaken, oh, ES is weakening, I'm gonna sell NQ. You know, I make stupid decisions like that. Oh, ES is going up, NQ is gonna go up. No, not necessarily. Let's go. Push. Push, 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 push.
Order canceled.
Couldn't see continuation on that bar. I need a one lot with no stop. Not with no stop, but a stop under the band. Because I think we're going to push higher.
Order canceled.
Okay. Back to the 70s. Now we have a little bit of a conundrum because I was playing off the bands that are below the 200 period bands, but now the 200 period bands hold. It's kind of a short, and that's the main signal. Take a one lot, see what happens. I think so. That's fair. Whatever happens, happens, but that's fair. The way price action is going now, a little skittish. I think I can get a better price. See, that's the better price. It's not a great better price, but it's a better price. If we get another bearish candle, I'll add. Hopefully we'll see a bit of a move. 111, everything is good. And if we get a full bar above the blue bands, well, then I'm out. And this was a good trade. At 23,500, I'll add, because that's a round number. But we may pop through it to 06. I've seen that happen quite often also. Okay, let me add there. Hopefully we come back down. Let me reduce my risk by getting one out of break even. Now we can run, and this one will send me to where I need to go. If we run lower, I don't have a dump. I have a push. I need a dump. 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 Let's try push. Going the wrong way.
Push. Come on, push now. Do a nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Let's go. Dump. Give me a bearish candle right here. Let's go. Sell it. What am I at? Still 75. Okay, not crazy about the trade. I'm not crazy about the trade because I got bullish, I got bearish. I got too many things on either side of the chart, either side of the indicators. Let's wait for some agreement. But if anything, I see we're above the previous day's high. It held strong. But we got bearish momentum. We're below the VWAP. 500 is kind of showing it's holding for now. Higher time frame Renko is bullish. Lower time frame is bearish. The one I'm using on this chart over here is bullish and bearish, depending on which band you're looking at. So it's anybody's guess which way we go, and I'll let I'll let price show its hand. If I were to have to guess, I think we're going to break higher. I think we're going to go visit you up. If I had to guess. And why would I say that? Because ES is kind of holding on the previous day's close right here. So ES is holding on previous day's close. We have the previous day's high, which held. This is probably a good entry right here. Right there. But it's an impulsive entry, and I'm not going to take it. It's not a clicker entry. It's not an official entry. No impulsive trades, because I won't forgive myself if I get into trouble taking impulsive trades. Oh, ES broke below the previous day's close. Why am I watching ES? I just said I don't want to watch ES. Goodbye, ES. Watch Bitcoin. Okay. Oh, man. Man, oh, man, oh, man. At 85, I have a short. If I can get a better price. There we go. That's like 89, 88 and a quarter. I'll take it. Hopefully we get down to 78. 83, 84, 85, 83, 81, 79. Fill me, you little fucker. Fill me, you little fucker. There we go. $91. Getting there. 60 more dollars to go. It's going to be fun. It's crazy when you get right to the... Well, I'm not right at the end. I mean, I don't consider myself... I'm not having stress because I'm right at the end. I'm having it stress because I put it on my shoulders to pass the account today so they don't get to bill me tomorrow. But I think at this point, with $60 left to go, I got to take at least a 3 lot and try for 10 points at some point, and then just finish it off. But I'm going to wait for a really good trade. That was a good trade. I liked it. It triggered on Topstep. Meantime, I can try and trade another account just for the fun of it. Sort of. No. What do I want to do that? What, so I can take impulsive trades in the meantime? What kind of stupidity is that? No. That was almost me making a stupid decision. Bitcoin looks like it wants to get back over 20,000. Bitcoin is up 2,000 on the day. Breaking higher strong. That's a pretty strong move. So I'll probably get a trade in Bitcoin. What's gold doing? Drifting lower. That's too bad. Anyways, let's get back to NQ. NQ has a long at 92. I can't justify a long here. I'm going to wait for confluence among the majority of my charts. And then I guess swing with a 2 lot or a 3 lot. Maybe a 2 lot. A 2 lot is good. Start with the 1 lot here. You turn blue. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Let's run up to 99. That'd be 10 points. I don't have that great of an entry. I'm kind of positioned in between here. But if we get a bullish candle here, I think I'm going to add. Oh no, I'll just let it go. All my positions are out. 105. Getting there. Getting there. Slowly but surely. Not taking risk. That's the best way. I am at 52,952. $48 to go. Wow, look at the Bitcoin bounce right off the bands. I was thinking we were going to break. Hey, comment ça, c'est pas la même chose? I'm confused now. Did someone make a change? 0.05 EMA 200. There's no way the same chart with the same everything. 0.05 EMA 200. How are you going to explain this to your children? How is that even possible? It's higher on another chart. And it's the same fucking indicator on the same fucking data. Everything. Wow, that's weird. Well, impulsively, I would take a FOMO trade here right now. Ah, we're running higher. I don't know why I always do that. Like, just underneath VWAP. Why do I get those weird emotions? Anyways, don't act on them anymore, so that's good news. Well, you know what? Let me remove it and put it back up. There's no fucking way it can be different on an exact same chart. I mean, it's a copy. I have one here, one there. Template, load, 200. Okay. It's different again. Let's just confirm. 0.05 EMA 200. 0.05 EMA 200. Yeah. Cancel. 0.05 EMA 200. Okay. This one. 0.01. 0.05. And 926. Nope, it's in the wrong place again. The Joker. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Joker. Joker, I took your advice. I decided instead of swinging in one shot, I'm going to get to pass the account with small lot sizes. 1s, 2s, and 3s. So far, I haven't even done a 3 yet. I don't even think I've done a 2. Maybe once. And I'm at 52,952, $48 away. The account there with the $108, that's the one. So I said I had $156 to make, I think, about. So, yeah, I said, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not going to put anything at risk. Take a 10 lot. I tell myself I'm going to risk 10 points, one shot. It's going to lose. And then I'm going to feel pissed. I'm going to do a 20 lot. I end up fucking up the account. All that for stupidity. That's the game they play also to fuck you up, in my opinion. These aren't decisions we would normally make in a trading day. We just trade. We don't trade to hit something for a certain day. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it smart. Okay, NQ. We bounced. I can take a long here for a 1 lot. let's go. Give me 3 bullish candles. That'll be 10 points. Get my finger on the close in case we go lower. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wow. It's a good thing I see. It came right back up. I am always on the fucking wrong side of those. I think it's get out and reevaluate. What a joke. What a joke. How am I always on the wrong side of those? I think 99% of the time I'm on the wrong side of those. And what I think it is whenever my charts tell me it's bullish, those are always bearish rug pulls. And when my charts tell me things are bullish, it's always a bearish rug pull. And when my charts tell me it's bearish, it's always a parabolic bullish move higher. Okay, what damage did that do? It didn't do much damage. If Trump can shut up, I'm not going to trade anymore. What, do you think that was a Trump comment? He's talking? No one told me. What channel do I go see? You guys have your TV on. I'm sure I read somewhere we're not supposed to be watching TV when we're trading. Financial juice. That's coffee. Coffee's financial juice. Well, now I'm afraid to take a trade. The hell with it. You're not going to get to me like that. This candle goes bullish. I'll jump in. But it looks like I'll get a better price, so I'm going to try for a better price. There we go. Come on, buyers. Boosh. Little wedge there. Which way do we break out? Let me lower the risk if I can. There we go. Just the fact that I was able to tells me we're probably going to go higher. Wow, that's a tight little candle there. Okay, let's go to VWAP. My stop will be under. There we go. Ah, come on. I mean, it's good. I don't want to be, I mean, come on. Could have stayed up there for a bit and give me a chance to take it. Should have had a sell order. See, you got to put your sell orders in. Wow, that was another financial juicing. We just had another financial juice. Holy shit. Ooh-wee. $9.62. Well, you can't have a more exciting day than this trying to hit target. $38 away, boys and girls. With a 2-lot, 438. That is 9 points with a 2-lot. We just got to get to the high. If we break the high of the U.S. session, and I take a 2-lot, I'm done. It's not a trade, though, so I'm not taking it. I'm going to wait for a setup. Sit back. Wait for a setup. Well, kind of having a little bit of a battle here on VWAP right now. I won't call it a battle, but a bit of a stall. My guess is we break out above the US session highs. Let's take a look at, yeah, we're inside the London. Remember, 80% chance we go back up to the Asia session highs. If you guys weren't here, we did that one too. We broke the Asia session highs, then we broke the Asian session lows. And when you have the 1-2 punch, there's an 80% chance it's a 1-2-3 punch. What Chip was telling me last week. Boy, you love that 80%. Yeah, well, 80% are really good odds, no? So we have an 80% chance of going up to that blue line over there at 566. Bullish momentum on the 1 minute. It's crossed bearish momentum by 15%. Wow. Maybe I'll take the next one, the next retrace and continuation. There's the retrace. It's flashing on my phone. Let's take the continuation, maybe. We don't get below the blue bands. I got to avoid the temptation to not take my stop and to say, oh my God, let it come back. I have shitty trading decisions floating around in my brain because I'm $38 away. And you know it's the best way to get there? Just trade normally. What happens, happens. You get what the market gives you. That's all. Hey, Dave. Did you see those two crazy spurts? No, you didn't notice them? No, not insane, but 30 points in an instant, both ways. One down, one up, like 10 minutes ago. My trade copier is out of sync. Doesn't matter though. It's on the I can't get the streaming to work. Yeah, I'm watching. I see that you're not on. That's weird. Weird, weird, weird. No, don't go down. Don't make my life harder. Don't put me farther away than where I am now. Come on, let's bust up to, you know what? Maybe I'll get a Trump spurt. I'm going to put in my sell limit order over there. Wow, my dog's going bananas. My trade copier finally synced up. Come on, push. Give me the push.
Push. Come on, push now. Do nice push for us.
Do nice push for us. Do nice push for us. I love it. I love it. Do nice push for us. Come on. Do nice push for me. Do nice. Think he says that to girls? Hey, babe, do nice. Come on, do nice for me. Go. Fuck off. I just got continued.
Order canceled.
Everything is good. What am I at? 123. I can't get the streaming to work. Uh-oh, I'm getting messages. That's OFT. Stop making fun of me. Wow, really? Nah, that's the placebo effect. You were probably stressed about it a little bit. $10. Why, did we just get another one of those things? Mm. Okay, now that you know how it works, next time take half. Half works great too. Half will put you out. Half puts you out without the feeling like I have to go to sleep. A full one makes you say to yourself, oh my God, I can't keep my eyes open. Half, you don't have that, but still, you close your eyes and you go. Wow, we're pushing higher. I can't get the streaming to work. Yes, 67%. Are we bullish or bearish? Are we bullish or bearish? I guess yes is bullish, right? I should have made it bullish, bearish. How can you ask two questions? Are we bullish or bearish? Can I edit the poll? Nope. I guess everyone understands. What am I at? Why does this fucking screen keep changing? I can't fucking believe it. OBS keeps taking over. I gotta watch my positions. What's the volume? Wow. 386,000 at 10 o'clock. Now it should be 600,000. I track volume, so I mean, not should be, but that's what you would expect on a normal day. $11-point range on the 1 minute candles, 60% bullish, 40% bearish on the momentum chart or indicator. That means 60% of the candles of the past 40 candles are bullish candles. It's a candle counter. We got 2 consecutive closes above VWAP plus a full candle above VWAP. That's bullish. I guess I should take a trade here, eh? Somehow. Go in for a 1 lot, see if I can get another 10 points. VWAP should hold now that we got above it. But you know what? I've seen exactly that pattern and it doesn't hold sometimes. All the people shorting with their stops right above at 526. I'm going to add one. Hopefully the bulls come back in. The sellers don't get strong. Sellers got to push. I needed to see that to the other side. Well, let's get a bullish candle on the Renko chart. Let's get up. You're going to give me a setback. Well, I have all day to pass. If we get below the band, I have to get out. It is what it is. This will make me red if it gets below the bands. Come on, push back up to VWAP as a minimum. Bullish candle. My streaming software is playing an old stream very loud and I can't stop it. That's so weird. How would your streaming software play a stream? Come on, get back up. Let's go, bulls. Push. Let's get that push.
Push. Come on, push now. Do a nice push for us.
Do a nice push for
me.
me.
Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Not dump. Push. Well, we don't have a lot of room left. This is going to make me red on the day. If we don't bounce now. Okay, let me lighten up so I don't get too much into trouble. And if we blast higher, it'll be a scratch trade. Come on, take me out. So it's a scratch trade, basically. I took a little bit loss. I don't understand how your streaming software can actually play. Oh, OFT is still on my stream. Hey, he should have OFT on his hat. Well, again, like I said with wood chips trade, right idea, bad timing. It's too bad for me. Oh shit, I have an entry at 20. Oh no, don't do that to me. 10 points better. How can I not take it? How can I not take it at 10 points better? 20, my stop is at 06, and I'm at 14. Lighten up. Okay, let's break. I'm going to assume we might break and spurt and then come back down. So I'm going to put in my sell order right there, expecting that spurt. And if we hit it, I think I'm done. I think so it's a one lot with the stop at 20 minus 14 at 06. And a target at 30. That potentially could be enough. It's 16 points, 32 plus 7 is 39. I'll be 10 points away, $10 away from passing. This is the pass the account challenge. $27 should be hit. 27 should be hit with 70% probability. And that gets us over the US session high. So I'm assuming there's a shit ton of stops there based on the way they tried to sell it. So if we can get over there, the stop should trigger to the 30. Anyways, that's my theory and I'm sticking to it. Very loud. That's so funny, I can't stop it. Control-Alt-Delete, go into Task Manager and disable process. I mean, you can't stop it. The sellers are holding it. I don't think they'll be able to. But I'm always wrong. The only reason why, I mean, this is an ascending little line here. We do have bullish momentum that came down a little bit. Come on, push it over. Trigger the stops. It's in Prism, yeah. Control-Alt-Delete, go into your Task Manager and disable the whole process. Close down Prism. Really? You go there? That pow! That was the pow? That's all I got? You couldn't go to 30 off the stops? Where are the stops? Was 1 point of stops?
Order canceled.
I'm taking it. Get out. 126. Where am I? 973. $27 away. Woo! It's going to be the hardest $27 I ever made. I'm having a good time, though. I got to tell you, I'm having a good time. It's too bad you're not here, Omnius. I'm waiting for you. I got my thing set up already. I've closed it, restarted it. It restarted the computer about 5 times, and it's still there. And and updated the software. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's like living in a simulation. Ah, it's true. I didn't play Deal Me In this morning. I don't know how to help you. The only thing I would tell you is put OBS up. But I know you're a Prism guy. I know if I was using OBS and my OBS wasn't working, you told me to put up Prism, I would tell you to go fuck yourself. That's a weird problem, though. That's a very weird problem. Computers, eh? Can they do fucking weird shit sometimes? What, my Deal Me In just went to sleep? Is it not open? Oh, it's not even open. Thought it was open. I thought I saw people playing. Stand. Okay, I want to get to my Take Profit Trader account. So come on, Mikey. Let's get this. Let's get this last $27. It's not even 27. It's $26. It's $73.82. This last $26 out of the way. 6 points on a 2-lot. We're back above VWAP. Once again, 2 consecutive candles. Check. Full candle. Not touching VWAP. Check. We're going to go. We're going to flip-flop on VWAP. They're trying to suck me into a trade. Thank God I didn't take the bait. See, that's what they try to get you to do. Take the bait. I didn't bite. Let's get away from here. I have all day. There will be a beautiful setup. Actually, their beautiful setup is appearing right now on the Renko chart. Off the blue bands. Like at 501. I can't. There was the 501. I should have had it in my limit order. What am I filled at? 503. 6, 7, 8, 5 points. I'll take the 5 points. 982. Getting there slowly. Dum da dum dum. This is a clinic in careful scalping. Precision scalping. Okay, now I'm gonna have to sit out a bit because I have some short signals and I have some bullish signals. So I'm waiting for everything. I took those trades when everything was bullish, but we got below the blue bands, a full bar. I need a full bar above the blue bands. Actually, what would best would be a full. Hey, wow, that's funny, guys. I'll be right back. I think I'm having a problem here. My mic is still on. Just give me a minute. I'm going to close. Close the Ninja Trader and reopening it. But in the meantime, I can still talk to you. Oh, I'm gonna also empty out my cache. Clear the cache. Ninja Trader Toolkit. Ninja Trader 8. Clear all historical data. Finish cleaning. Ninja Trader. Close window. Exit. Open up. Okay. We wait for the charts to load. They're coming. They're coming. Don't worry. I know they're coming. Slowly but surely. It's going to take a lot longer for everything to load because now it has to download all the data. So you're going to have empty charts. I can put up my account data. I don't put it up because I find it unlucky in the beginning, but there you can see the top account, 52,982. Give the data time to load on all the charts. $18 away. I'm so excited. Hey, guess who's at my house today? The people who did the deck. They came back. I told my wife not to. They're gonna make a mess. See, it's a good thing I didn't take the bait. Oh, the VWAP trade. Oh shit! But there is a trade on Topstep at 20. I can get a better price. I'll take it. The trade copier won't work, but I'll take it here. Once again, my stop is at, I don't even know, 06, I think. There we go. $9.86, $14. Wow, you know what? I should take it. What am I being a baby for? This has a 70% chance of going to 527 again. And we are above VWAP, and we flip-flopped a whole bunch of times. Let me see if I can get 17 or 16. I'll take it and just let it go. 20 bid, 19 bid, 21 bid. Of course, if it goes to 27 bid, can't take it anymore. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Oh, that was my chance. 17, 18. Goes to flashes so quickly by the time my brain registers that I can't click. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah, of course. The one time I click, it doesn't hold. It is what it is. Come on, Pop. Let's play the push. Push has been doing good for me.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
No, not working out this time. Hey, come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. My stop is at 06. How can I not buy another one right here? So close to the stop. $11. Come on. 9, 10, 11. I'm watching. I got my finger on the close button. Looks like it's going to stop me out. Pecker. That's it. Out. 963. I'm back down to $37. It almost looked like it copy traded. Oh my God, my copy trader is up. I didn't even know. Shouldn't have been. Anyways, doesn't matter. VWAP. VWAP is my nemesis. When I trade around VWAP, I always do poorly. It's my kryptonite. Let's see what the MES is doing. Hey, chat, you guys are quiet today. Wow. NQ is a lot stronger than ES. Well, hopefully the band saved me. Let's go. Let's see a blue bar. Let's go. Bullish candle on the Renko chart. Let me open it up. No, wrong way. Call in the bin. Wow, so close, and now I got smeared. Holy shit. Good thing I got out. That's another financial juice. What's he talking about anyways? Tariffs again? Now I'm farther than when I started in the morning. Oh, well, down $35. Got back above the bands. Okay, we'll get a band play. Then we take a 3-lot. Now we got to get a little more aggressive. $98. Let's get up to $08. You know what? We'll wait for the trade. Now we'll swing a bet. Oh shit, I forgot to even trade the longer term system on Sim 102. I'm so focused. Okay, let's catch a trade long. Actually, it's not even a good idea because it's short on Topstep. Long on Ninja is going to be short on Topstep. Let's wait for a long and a short and a short. Either one. Oh, in the meantime, I could check if the error corrected. No, it still didn't correct. That's so weird. MBT 0825, MBT 0825, Ninzarenko 2010, Ninzarenko 2010. Same charts, same indicator, different prices. But only one of them, something's wrong. I'm missing something somewhere. Maybe you are on a high, not on the close. That's a possibility. On the close, okay. Let's see how much data is here. Maybe it's the data. 2 days, instrument settings. Data. 3 days, instrument settings. Let's change it to 2 days. Maybe that's the difference. 861, 741. Yep, that's the difference. I guess 200, it doesn't have enough bars. Yep, definitely. There you go. It doesn't have enough bars. That's wrong. So we got to make it 3 days on both. Data series. Actually, we should make it 1, 2, 3, 4 days minimum. That'll include Friday for sure. And on the other chart also. Well, we found the problem. Houston, we found the problem. Okay, guys. Doing my best here. 52,850. Bathroom break. I will be back. Well, the likelihood of me passing has diminished. I was, what, $17 away, $13 away? Oh, wow, look at that push. Another one of those crazy candles. Most likely. I didn't see it, but I think. What are we doing exactly today? Let me make a couple of changes to this chart. Oh boy. Sorry, I'm not going to do that. I have a trade here. If we turn blue, we get a bullish candle off the bands. That's a band bounce. That's a butter band bounce. Butter stunts band bounce. Oh wow, look at that. The lower band is exactly at 23,500. Okay, I'll take a 2-lot. Unfortunately for me, I got caught in 2 rug pulls. I think I got caught in this one and I got caught in this one. Real pain in the ass shit. I'll add to the trade. Where are my Chinese balls? 02, 01. I'll add to the trade if we get the bullish candle, and if we get a full bar below the bands, I will bail. That's 1 bar. This isn't enough. 1 more bar, although we got a swing low there. I'll add. Hopefully it'll hold. Come on, lower the size. Yeah, you fucker. Wow, you're really making it hard. You're really making it hard for me. Try to improve my price. Battling it out. Okay, I've improved my price a bit. Now can we run? I'll sell 1. Okay, so I'm holding 1. Maybe I can get 30 points on this. Oh, look what I see. I'm taking this trade aggressive. It is what it is. Maybe not so aggressive. I don't want to get myself into too much trouble. Okay, that's aggressive. Yeah, that might have been a mistake. Thankfully, I got out of it. Where's the stop on this? 95. 95, yeah. Anyways, 95 seems to be the stop on everything. Well, let's get back up to VWAP. What's the range on the 1-minute charts? 10.33. And I'm experiencing stress again. I feel it inside me. I have neck tension. Anyways, it is what it is. It's not going to damage the account. If I don't like it, I can just sell market, get out 1, hold only a 2-lot, and work my way back. It's 10:33. I still have time. If this goes to, let's say 20, that'll be $80. It'll put me at $940. That'll be $60 away. So that's good. I'll hold it for that. And hopefully we catch a pop. Try again. Eventually I'll bust through the barrier. Just in case there's one of those weird pops. Let me put one here, sell limit. And sell limit seems to be the what the market is doing today. Should have been trading Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing good. What's gold doing? Didn't even look. Wow, gold had a beautiful long trade, short trade, all the way down. Now it's long. And NQs, look at those. Let me just, this bullshit here, this bullshit here, this bullshit here. That's 3 of them. I got caught in both of those, or in 2 of those. '06, '02, 92, 95, 92, somewhere around there is my stop. Hard to make it 95 when you got a swing low right here. You got a swing low here, you got a swing low here. Most likely it's going to wick it and come back, even if it continues. 8-point range on the 1-minute candles. That sucks. We haven't been able to do anything really above VWAP. Selling momentum now is above bearish, above bullish momentum. Just calling it as I see it. If those swing lows can hold, and we can get above VWAP, we can push up into the 521 area. Right now we're tight in this little 10-point range, 05 to 95. Somehow, some way, we're going to break out to one of those sides. My guess, it's going to go lower, scare people out, probably me included, and then go higher. Somehow it has the ability to do that. Of course, if I don't get scared out and I hang on, it's going to tank. It's like, I'm damned if I do and I'm damned if I don't. So I will just watch. And if we get a full bar, we get a close, I'll just take my pill and wait for the next trade. I'm not increasing my stop. Oh, a little 2 more points here and then maybe 2 more points there. Okay, brought my price a little bit better. I'm getting tired of fighting it. Put in my sell stop and we'll let it go.
Order
That's my trade.
canceled.
Trade copier is not out of sync. 111. That's the trade. We'll just let it go. We'll let it play out. And then we'll deal with what I have left after that. Not even gonna calculate. We are trying to bounce off the bands, though. That is a phenomenal trade, low risk. I would take it if fucking Topstep was bullish, but Topstep is bearish. Colin. This is where I should be making my stand. Trying to pass the account. Oh, I know that sound.
Good morning.
Good morning. I have a feeling we're being visited by someone who's very frustrated.
Well, I tried to take a few minutes to
Master trade?
calm down. Yeah. Such is life. What can we do?
I was either $13 or $17 away from passing, and then I took a hit. Now I am $120 away. I'm trying. You know, that last $13 is the hardest to make, especially if you're on a timeline. Like, you know, if I'm not on a timeline, whatever, but I want to pass it today. So what happened? What was the deal here? You're on with Prism now, or you must be.
I don't know, man.
Well, you're not using OBS now. Right now.
I'm listening. I'm just doing a sound check.
Yeah. Oh, no problem.
I don't know what works and what don't work.
Mm.
It's one of those days.
Yeah, well, I had to do alignment. My cameras were all misaligned for some.
Oh yeah, my camera was way off. I had the issue, and then I reset it, and then like all my stuff was like thrown around the screen. Like somebody took everything on Prism and just like scattered it all over the place. So I'm like, what the? Are you serious right now? But it was still like there was a video playing in the background. It won't stop. I still haven't got it to stop. I did find out how to mute it though.
I told you got to learn how to use the software.
I had to go into the computer settings and find one of the volume things and mute it.
Mm.
But still play. I don't know where it's playing from. I don't know if it's Prism or just Prism's picking it up or what.
Okay.
Order canceled.
I had this issue before. I don't remember how I fixed it.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that. I remember. It makes no sense.
It makes no sense at all.
How many scenes do you have?
Well, I got 4, but on the
4? That's it? I got like 35.
Well, I've only got 4. Yeah.
Okay.
Talking about sources or scenes?
No, scenes.
No, I've only got 4.
Okay.
But
yeah, no,
on
35, right?
No, I got 5. So I have 5 scenes. What do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck, I got 6 scenes. Okay, I got 6. But on 3 of them, there's like basically nothing.
Yeah.
No mic and no camera, nothing. Except for like a video that plays on one and another video that plays on the other. But even on that, the video's still playing.
So you mean like your opening screen and your closing screen, those aren't separate scenes? Those are all inside your main scene?
No, those are separate scenes. So I have the opening scene, I have the closing scene, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in between.
Okay, because you can do it in the same scene. You can just create a group, but I
didn't want to do that. I like to switch between the scenes.
Yeah.
But yeah, even on those, the video is still playing in the background.
Mm.
Well, I say the background, but it's not really the background. It's extremely loud. It's turned all the way up. I can't adjust the volume. I can't stop it.
Wow.
Can't do anything. I don't know.
Delete the video it's playing.
Where?
Oh, it's not off your hard drive. It's not pulling a video off your hard drive. It's pulling something else.
I don't know where it's at. It's
Mm,
that's what I'm saying. I don't know where the video is.
yeah. Well, my
Is
recommendation to my son is when he's frustrated, don't trade.
is it in Prism? Is it coming off the computer, but then it's playing on the desktop, which is
Mm.
supposed to be muted? So I don't even know how it's getting through
But what video is it that it's playing?
one of our streams.
What? Well, then it has to be off YouTube. Oh, no, you record the streams, eh?
Yeah, but I don't see anything. Like there's nothing up showing that anything's playing.
Mm. How long do you keep them for, the recordings? A week, 2 weeks? Yeah.
Yeah. So at one point, when I knew y'all was just fucking with me, right? It was like, it's a video of our stream, and I was like, just shut the fuck up. I'm like, Mike, will you please just shut the fuck up, right?
I was gonna say, yeah, I'm sure it's when I was talking you said that.
And then you replied, you're like, what? I'm playing with my balls. And then on the stream you're on now, you're like, it's all just a simulation. Oh, they're fucking with me. They're fucking with me.
I don't know, with what's going on with the quantum computers, they're really saying more and more that we live in a simulation. It's getting crazy. They're finding more and more evidence for that.
So that was like the second thing that was kind of fuck you on the day, right?
Mm.
So the first thing was right before I go to stream, like minutes before the second fuck you.
Mm. My wife.
I'm telling what?
I said, sounds like that sentence is going to start with my wife.
No, it didn't start with the wife this time. It was the son. So I'm telling my son, I'm like, well, I got to go. I'm late. I'm supposed to be starting the stream. He's like, okay, well, can I have some watermelon? So I cut a bunch of watermelon yesterday. I'm like, yeah, it's in the refrigerator. I'll grab it for you.
Oh, okay, it was cut. It was cut. Yeah.
And he's like, I got it. I'm literally standing right there, a foot behind him. And he grabs the watermelon, big old bin of watermelon, a whole watermelon, all cut up, and throws it on the floor.
Holy shit, dropped it.
Yeah.
Yeah. One doubt.
So then I had watermelon all over the kitchen.
Did you yell at him?
I did.
Did you make him feel worse than you already did? How much is a watermelon where you are? I'm curious.
Fuck, I don't even know.
Like here, a watermelon, like a one that's like about this big is like $15 now. That's about 10 US, I would say. I remember watermelon was like $1.50.
So now when I got to explain what happened to my wife, she's going to be like, it's $10 watermelon.
If I hit 1K profit, can I request a payout? It depends. I don't know what your balance is at, Yothis. Or Easy Varghese. Easy for Jay. Let's just go with Easy. I don't even have to mispronounce your middle name. Yeah, it depends. If you're over the trailing threshold, you can request. But if you're only at let's say if it's a 50K account and you're at 151,000, no, you can't ask for a payout yet. And it also depends on what firm you're with. There's could be a condition on how many days. If you're with Take Profit Trader, it's instant, but the other ones have 5 or 6 days. I think you're with BULENOX, you said, right? 50K account BULENOX. Is it an eval or a master account? Did you pass the evaluation already? Now 700 profit. Yeah, you and me are struggling. Well, we're not struggling. I mean, I'm ahead also. I'm just trying to get the pass. Yeah, you gotta, if it's an eval, you gotta get it to 53K, and then you turn it into a master account. You have to pay an activation fee. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it depends on what the balance is. If you're at 153,600 or higher, you can ask for a grand. Yeah. You have to get to 153,100, I think, minimum. 153, sorry. 53,100 on the master account to request $500. Does that sound right?
I don't fucking know.
I don't
How's the trading been today?
Difficult. There's been 4 of those, those rug pulls that out of the blue, the market just hits an air pocket.
Yeah. I heard you say something on your stream about Trump was talking or something.
Trump, yeah. Butter said Trump is speaking. So
I was actually in a trade on one of them.
I was in a trade on 3 of them.
One of the opening trades.
Mm.
So the good news of the day is I did have 3 winning opening trades.
Wow, good job.
Got an IntraTrader up one of the times in between resetting my computer or restarting it. And it showed me it was in a trade. So I was like, fuck, I done missed it. So then I opened the chart and it's actually in drawdown. So I was like, well, fuck, I'll take it from here. So I took it from there and then that wound up winning. So it actually gave me more than what it should have. And then it took 2 more after that.
Well, that's cool. That's cool. If you get a 3K profit on the master account, you can only request 500. I think you have to get to 3,100. Yeah, you can't go, as far as I know. I mean, confirm it, but as far as I know, you have to maintain the trailing threshold, the trailing drawdown, plus $100. So on the 50K account, they want you to keep that 52,500 plus 100 as a security, as a balance, But I'm not 100% sure. The language is vague on that.
Mm-hmm. And it changes.
But the language is vague, very vague on that. What do I mean by it's vague? If I'm correct, and I could be wrong, it would say something like you have to get above your trailing threshold plus 100 in order to request a withdrawal. Then they'll give you an example, but they never specifically state if you can dip into that amount or not. Or maybe they do.
I think after so many, they open it up, right? And you can.
No, I don't think you can ever dip into your withdraw. Only if you close the account, you can have that.
I thought after a couple payouts or something, I don't know. I might have it wrong. I got to reread it.
Well, what would be the point? Let's say you take it all out and then you're left with $20 of drawdown.
Exactly.
There's...
it would be that you want to close the account.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is after so many payouts, I think they open it up and you can close the entire account or whatever.
Yeah. They're always operating under the guise of we want to fund traders, and if you want to be a trader, why would you be emptying out your account? So we're going to keep a balance in there. Only if you.
But at the same time, they're saying it's yours, so they have to at some point give you access to it. I think Apex the same way, right? Or are you talking about Apex?
No, BULENOX.
Yeah, I think both of them are about the same way. I think after so many payouts that you can take whatever, but then if you do, you're going to blow the account.
Yeah.
I mean, BULENOX puts it there to help you stop from blowing the account because so many people were blowing their accounts.
Well, that's it. That's what it's for. Everyone wants to grab the money and run, but then the account's gone. And, if you own, again, I always say, if you owned a physical prop firm, you were the owner of a prop firm or the risk manager, and some guy's sitting down for an interview, and he tells you, I want to come in, I want to try and make $10,000, grab it and run. You're going to say, okay, go somewhere else. You're not interested in that guy.
Plus, they have to. Right. Plus, the SEC wants them to stop the gambling mentality. So if they're there to get funded traders, that's what they need to be working towards.
No, but am I right? If you were the hiring manager of a prop firm and you're doing an interview and the guy says, I'm going to trade aggressively, try to make 10 grand, ask for a withdrawal, and I'm going to leave, would you hire the guy? No, of course not. You take a walk.
Well, I think the real question would be, would you hire him back? If you hired an employee to help you do a job and he worked for 2 days and quit, And then a week later, come back and says, "Hey, you hire me again?" It's like, no,
Yeah.
why the fuck would I hire you again?
Exactly. So people got to think that. I think that's the way people got to think about the prop firms. That's the way I think about them. Whenever people go bananas over a rule change, I just apply it to a real prop firm, a physical
Yeah.
prop firm where traders go in. If it seems like a crazy rule there, then you have a reason to complain. Like trailing drawdown. Trailing drawdown is a crazy rule.
The trailing drawdown just doesn't bother me that much. I don't know why it bothers people so much.
Well, if you trade small, it doesn't, but it's a crazy rule. It's a rule to.
Well, not really, because it's saying that, you can't just put on a trade and just let it run forever and come all the way back against you.
No, but if I have $1,000 profit and I let it, and I trail it, and now I close it with $500 profit, I shouldn't be penalized and now only have on my 50K account, instead of $2,500, now I have only $2,000 drawdown. You just chopped away 20% of my available drawdown because I took a profitable trade.
But at the same time, without the trailing drawdown, you would only have $2,000 drawdown. So they're giving you an extra 20%.
No, I would have had 2,500.
No, all the end of day are 2,000.
Oh,
that I know
really? You're right. Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
So they're giving you an extra 20%. And saying, this is what you have for your leeway.
Who knew I was streaming with a lawyer?
That's the way I look at it. I mean,
that's correct. That's right. That's a way to think of it. They give it trailing, but they gave you $500 to play with.
Right. And if you're taking reasonable sized trades, not trying to full port minis, then it shouldn't really be that big of an issue. But then again, that's for my trading strategy. Like, who was it? Joker and Mike Stunts, I think, were saying that, they go for larger targets.
Yeah.
So to them, it could be more of an inconvenience. And which then again, if it is, then just go with the end of day.
There you go. Oh, and the end of day is glorious because you can not take advantage of it, but you can use it in your favor. If you can get a $500 or $600 profit and you're willing to risk it, you can take a good swing, put your stop at $600 so it doesn't touch your drawdown, and try to make $2,000, $3,000 on the day, Now,
I will say in that scenario is when I don't like the trailing drawdown, because you're right. I mean, that's what you should do as a trader, is you should build up that cushion. And then once you got it, put your max stop loss in profit and then go for it. Like, hey, no matter what I do, today's green. Let's see what heights we can reach.
Yeah. I've done some fantastic things in Topstep doing exactly that.
So I do agree with that.
I would get $100. I'd push it a little bit more, add a contract and micro, get up to 300, add a micro. I had some days I get up to 2,500 into the day. On combines, let's be specific.
My dog's going on about something. See what's going on over there. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. 7-point range on the 1 minute candles. That's the danger zone for me. Just so you guys know. That's where I say not to trade anymore. And I'm at 898, $102 away. And I really want to pass. And I'm just sitting here waiting for a setup. I think short would be the setup, right? Right. Maybe we're going to try and reach for, wow, look at that, 65.35 on the momentum. Bearish momentum. Oh, 93. Do I take a really big chance here? Based on the bearish momentum. And with a 2-lot, markets are finding strength. Hopefully it fills this instead of creating a bullish fair value gap. Hopefully we get bearish candle on the Renko charts. My timing is off just a little bit on every trade. And it's bugging me. I need 25 points. We got to get down to 70. It's far to pass. Okay, let's hope I get 2 more bearish candles right here. Although I've seen this pattern also in the rising market. Not in a rising market, but when it's a 1, then the next one will be a 1 also. It's the double 1. It's the double whammy. I'm hoping it's not in this case.
What's the double one?
Wait, I'm gonna have to get out. I don't want to take too much risk here. When there's a short-term reversal in the trend, it gives you, my system gives me 2 losing trades back to back. It happens very often. I don't even want to take the chance anymore. So you see how I have 1 candle here? So what's going to happen is you're going to have a bearish candle. It's going to go up. You're going to have a bearish candle, and it's going to go up again. So I've seen that pattern. Doesn't mean it's going to happen here, but
Means it can happen.
yeah. And I took a 6 lot. I'm trading a little bit more aggressive because I want to finish. And I said, you know what? Not when I'm in that scenario. Because it's not lower. This bearish candle is the same height as this one. If it was lower, it would be different. But it's not lower. It's the same height as this one. That's what makes me a little worried.
Could see a possible short trade.
Short, long, who knows? Run to VWAP, run to the previous day's close. But everything I have is short right now.
And I see the ES going down.
Is it? Yeah.
Think we could go short, maybe. Really, it's kind of a sideways day, isn't it?
Yeah, I was looking at ES, but you know what? I hate when ES interferes. When I look at ES and I make decisions based on it.
Yeah.
I say, oh, ES is going down, and I take an impulsive short on NQ when I should be stalking along, you know. So I turn it off. It does that to me too often. That's what I wanted. I wanted 2 bearish bars. That would have been 8. That would have been $40. Oh well.
40. So you're short?
I'm short of 1 lot.
I feel like you were talking yourself out of it, but then I click over and you're short.
I talked myself out of the 6 lot.
He's like, no. I look over, he's like, short.
No. I was in for a 6 lot, but I talked myself out of it.
Oh, okay.
And I brought it down to a 1 lot.
Gotcha.
Yeah, 6 lots, $12. I get down. I could lose $120 on that. I didn't want to take that amount of risk. Not in this area on the chart.
Plus it's just chop. I mean,
yeah. And
look at all the chop when it was going up. Now we're going down. It's just going to be a bunch of chop also.
Yeah, and we're down to 7 points on the range. You probably 9.
Yeah, 9. Yeah.
Yeah, 14 is very, very often just 2 points above where I am.
Hey, so you're a computer guy. If it's not Prism playing that video, like what else would be playing it?
It's playing inside Prism. It can't be anything else. You have a source accessing it somehow.
Bama, what's up? How you doing today?
Bama's back.
What it says.
Way to go.
Why was Bama there before?
Yeah, about a month ago. I see him on TikTok, but I haven't seen him on YouTube in a while. Yeah, I was watching all his videos actually, or a bunch of them. Somehow they
Got
put me
vi-
on his thing. I don't even know how I got there, and I was scrolling. They were all Bama
got videos.
videos.
Let's check them out.
Uh, well, he doesn't go under Bama on TikTok.
Looks like he was streaming about 6 months ago.
Yeah, that's it. It was 5 months ago.
Well, let's subscribe. Bama, you got a new subscriber?
Woo-wee! Hey, Skeletor. Nice to see you. Where's Woodchip? I got a new meme for Woodchip. I'm waiting to play it. The guy never shows up on Monday. He always takes a 3-day weekend, this guy. He thinks every weekend is Labor Day.
Bama, my day started off bad. I was trying to stream and I got some video playing in the background. I can't find it. It's playing at like full volume.
Holy shit.
No matter what I do, I can't get rid of it. But I finally found a way to mute it. So,
well, what about this? Duplicate the scene, see if it's still happening. And now that now if you have 2 copies of the scene, delete your sources one by one and figure out which one it is. No, duplicate the scene profile, not the scene. The scene profile. The scene profile includes all your scenes. Then you can actually delete scene by scene until you empty out the whole new profile. Like me in OBS, it's called Scene Collection. So my scene collection actually has a name. I call it Futures Floor Broadcast, and it's all my 35 scenes. If I duplicate it, it'll make a duplicate copy of all 35 scenes. I would close down OBS, reopen OBS, and if it's still playing, I would remove one scene by one scene, and I don't really care because it's a copy, and I would find where the error is.
Yeah, I'd probably screw it up. I was trying to change the scene profiles also. It's one of the things I was trying. And it like wasn't changing. It was all giving me like the same thing. I just seen it earlier. Oh, it's blocked out because I'm streaming. But yeah, they got it blocked out right now because I'm streaming. Yeah, it's one of the things I wanted to try was a different profile, and it was still playing through all the profiles, but didn't really change. So I don't know if it's picking up something on the desktop or what.
Really
but there's nothing open. I don't know what could be playing.
Did you open up Task Manager and see if anything else was playing?
I don't think it shows you that it's playing something, does it?
Sure, Task Manager will show you everything that's running.
Yeah, it shows you. I mean, there's freaking 100 things running.
Oh, no, but you just click on the name and it'll show you the ones that are active. You know, like for me, it'll be OBS, Ninja, my browser, and StreamerBot. And then there's a section here. Let me show you. So I go to Task Manager, right? So I have a section here called Apps, and then underneath is Background Processes.
I see apps history, startup apps.
So it'll be in your apps. No, and under your processes for Task Manager.
Where do you see apps?
Right here. Oh, look on my stream. Hold on, let me move it. Ah, fuck off. Anyways, there, look on my stream. It's true, it was in the way. Over here. Wait.
Oh, okay. Well, you're talking about everything open. Yeah.
Yeah, but underneath that I have background. There's only 13, and then under that I have background processes 55. So you'll find it in your apps. That'll be if anything is playing, like Windows Media Player or anything, you'll see it in there. Sorry guys, I don't know why everything closed. It loves to do that. Now I got to click on each one individually. I'm showing my accounts. Ah, you know what? As soon as I started showing my accounts, I was $30 away. I have a theory now that showing my accounts is bad luck. I was less than $30 away. I was less than $20 away. I showed my account, and then I went downhill from there. Fuck off. I should have waited till I passed. And I lost.
Yeah, I don't know. I have to mess with it later.
I lost Omnius. Yeah.
No, I'm here. I wonder if I
No,
turn it back. I wonder if I turn it back up if you can hear it. Where'd it go?
let me see. I'll check on your stream also.
I don't even see it now. I don't know what happened. Disappeared on me.
Oh, okay. 6.82. Oh, it's getting harder and harder to pass.
Okay, there it is. I found it. Can you hear it?
I don't hear it in Discord, but let me check your stream. I hear guitar music.
That's not it. I don't think you can hear it because I have it grayed out on Prism.
No, I just hear guitar music on your thing. I guess that's your music. That's your background music.
Probably. Who knows?
Yeah, I have to say it's the oddest problems. How these? It's as if the configuration file gets fried every time you close it down or something. It makes no sense.
What's weird is that it's playing and it's playing so loud, but on Prism it's muted. So it's saying it's coming from the desktop, but it's muted. But it says it's coming from a Prism browser, but it's still muted. So I don't know. Glitch somewhere. Really just a bunch of chop here, isn't it? Yeah, I think this is just going to be one of those days that just chop everybody up. Though if it gives me the short, I'm going to try it. I'll lower the contracts.
Lower the contracts. I made my stand there on the Renkos.
Yeah.
I said, that's it. I'm running out of time. We've got 6 points of range. I hit the 5 lot 3 times. I'm at 52,986. I'm back to $14 away. Is it on the screen? Fuckers. Okay. And I'm going to get a trade triggering here on Topstep. You know what? Oh, fuck. But we got these lows here now. These swing lows.
Yeah, see if it can push down, break through it. Fuck it. Give it a try.
Yep. Well, here's the thing. If it triggers on Topstep, a 1 lot will get me to target at 70% probability. I'm going to enter now, and hopefully. Let's go. Topstep hasn't triggered. I entered in early. That's already. I broke already a rule. Come on, Topstep. 99, it's got to go to 85. 85 on the offer has to hold. 85 and 3/4, 85.50. Nah. 87. We're going the wrong way. I hope I didn't try to save a point. No, the other way.
Not giving the best of confidence, huh?
No, you fucker. I tried to save a point and it's going to cost me. I hate that. That's the stupidest mathematical trade you can do because it costs you big time.
Try to save a point.
Yeah, try to save a point. You take 10 points risk. And the thing is, when it triggered in, I probably could have gotten in at a better price anyways. You know, I usually wait for a better price. That's the purpose of the clicker. Fuck off. 91 already. Did you hear that?
What is it?
Coin flip time. You're such a
Coin flip.
motherfucker. Coin flip. Let me open up
Wait, I thought it was 10:45.
11:15 and 11:45.
Oh. I'm know when you're ready.
Here's the problem.
What? It ain't going nowhere.
No, that's not the problem. Problem is I want to take care of my Apex accounts and I don't want them open at the same time.
No, we can skip it. We don't have to do it every day.
Yeah, let's skip it today unless I pass. I could open it on my, you know what, let me open it up on my other screen. Give me a second, on my other computer.
This is why you should have did a sim account so you don't have to worry about it messing with your other stuff.
File.
Man, what a nasty day to be trading, isn't it? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big fuck you candles.
Yep. And I have no more coffee. 9.53. Now I'm $47 away.
Found out that I have decaf coffee. Might need to start drinking that.
That's the best. That's what we drink. I don't drink caffeinated. I get the jitters. I get anxiety, actually.
Yeah, me too. That's why I quit drinking it.
Okay, we got to update gold here. Done. Yes. Connections. BULENOX. Where's my chat? Hey, he left. Oh, no, he's there.
Hey, what if last time I had that same issue? What if I found out how to mute it and then it's just been muted this whole time? And then got unmuted and then I had to find out how to mute it again. Is there just a video that plays on my computer all the time?
Okay, I got the right account. Let me create an ATM. Remove. Let's make it's 40 and 40, right? Someone was saying yesterday, maybe even you were there. 40-40. Let's make it a 5 lot. And save template. ATM, let's call it coin flip CF.
What were they saying?
Leave it as a runner and you'll probably do good. Save template.
Coin flip?
Yeah.
Nope, because that changes the statistics.
No, but he says it might be profitable. Okay, I'm ready to go.
Might be profitable, but that's not the point. The point is that the coin flip strategy theoretically, there's a 50-50% chance. So at a
Yeah, that's what
50% win rate, that beats 80% of traders.
Yeah, that's what we're measuring now.
A simple coin flip. And that's the theory. Now you can come up with all kinds of other stuff to say, man, look at that candle.
Yep, that got me over 53.068.
I took 12 points. I could have held for. So you might say, well, yeah, you have commissions and you have everything else that kind of messes up the coin flip strategy. But
are you going to flip? Or are you going to continue talking?
You told me not to. You're bad as my wife. Tell me not to do something and then complain I didn't do it.
Okay, wait. I can close it now on the other screen because I passed 53.068. So I can close it. We can actually do it for real.
If you want to.
Yeah, we're doing it. Let me close
All right,
it
let's
here.
do it. Heads up. Let's flip.
Connections, disconnect Apex. Yes.
We got a heads.
That's long. Connections, BULENOX. Let's just get it up.
Are you having problems getting it up?
It's
going to be hard to master trade that way.
There's the right account. Let's just confirm it's the right account. Hold on, because I cleared the cache. Everything is cleared. It's going to take a little bit longer to...
Oh, that video that you posted, I think yesterday, with the woman walking off is like 10-minute break.
Yeah, I phrased it wrong, but yeah.
I thought she was going to like walk off and then walk back like smoking a cigarette in like 10 minutes after master trade.
Okay.
Sometimes you just got to take a break and master trade.
We bought the market. No. The idea was that she's telling her husband or boyfriend who's a trader to come take a 10-minute break, you know?
Oh, I got you.
But I phrased it wrong, so no big deal. No big deal. What did he get? 4 hits?
I don't know.
Yeah, crap. Everything's crap. Let's go. Take it out. Let's go 6 for 1. You're so close. You're so close. Got to get to 54, 51, 52, 52 3/4, I saw. a point and a quarter. Ah!
What?
That is 6 for 1.
It's rigged.
That is 6 for 1 on the coin flip strategy. Let's update.
All right, we're going to be selling this coin. It's a Ripley's Aquarium coin.
Yeah.
85% accurate.
Put it on eBay. Who wants the coin that's tied into the to the markets?
Now you have winning streaks and losing streaks.
Yep. 6 to 1. The account is at 50,401 now. So this is day 4, right? It's day 4 results.
Sounds about right.
50,401. Trading times are 11:15. Update. Perfectly. Perfectly. Good job. Everything is good. Wow, good day. I'm happy. I passed. I really didn't want to give him $30 for nothing.
Past eval?
Yep.
Sweet.
I took a 5 lot on that dump. There was the volatility increased. Hey, Joker, congrats. Yeah, I don't know if you were watching. I was $13 away. And I took a trade with a little bit bigger size, and I got caught in this dump over here on the Insta dump, and I think it put me down. Instead of being up 100 and let's say $37, I was now down 100 and something. Anyways, I fought my way back, even in the low volatility. And okay, well, I'm sorry, I'm a baby. And what I mean by that is I did the wood chip. I changed wood chip's meme, and I wanted to show him, but he never shows up on Monday. You're watching the screen. Can you see it, Omnius?
Me?
Yeah.
Let me turn up. Let me turn the volume on.
Yeah.
Hold on, I got to mute my mic. All right, go ahead.
Give me a sec. Let me just close this and this. And
I don't even have to mute my mic. I got headphones on.
you know, they were static images before, eh? You remember they were just an image? Remember that site I sent you to, Vahir or whatever it is? So if you type in an image and you can get it to do this now. Yeah, you can get it to do nothing. I didn't check it in the morning. You know that configuration file frying that happens? Well, it did it here. Hold on. Media properties. Hold on. Audio. Okay, that's correct. Cancel. Media, browse. It's not going to be, anyways, doesn't matter. Browse. Yeah, it changed the file. Can you believe it?
So you found out how to make the background transparent on the video?
Nah, but it didn't really need it.
Okay.
Uh,
I know there's a way to do it. I just don't know how to do it.
Okay, well, let's see what happens. Might be the wrong size. What is going on? Now I have him signed. You get it to disappear. Going to have dinner. Hey, Ruan. Be back after. So yeah, you get to make them, you get to animate them a little bit now. Not long, 5 seconds. Kind of like, I lost you. Your volume's gone.
What?
Oh, there you're back. Oh, you shut it down, the coffin. Yeah, you can make 5-second animations. Very similar to Dream Screen AI.
Yeah.
Yep. But you're not limited with the, and you can give it your own image in Dream Screen AI. You can't give it an image.
You can use a CapCut on the phone.
Oh, yeah? You can paste your own image and tell it what to do?
I don't know about that, no.
Oh, okay. No, here you can paste the image and tell it, like I pasted an image of you and me, and I said, make us strangling each other. It didn't do it, though. That one it didn't do.
Oh, that reminds me. I put on your stream earlier. I said, it's one of those days I feel like punching a monkey. Did you see that come? I don't think it went through.
No, it didn't. I didn't see
it. I think I got censored again.
Yeah, you're great. That means my Facebook account's gonna get canceled.
No, on YouTube.
I know. That's all it needs.
Apparently you can't say you're gonna punch a monkey on YouTube.
Yeah, well, no, punch is probably the word. And that's crazy because this is basic moderation. Basic moderation, that should just be the F word, like fuck, bitch. It should just be that.
Type in punch, see what it does. It don't tell me. Do you see punch?
Yeah, punch is working.
All right, now let's do monkey. See monkey?
Nope. Yep.
Now let's do punch monkey.
Punch monkey. Maybe it came through. Maybe I didn't see it.
If I spell it right. Maybe I gotta start spelling stuff wrong so it throws off. You see punch monkey?
Punch monkey works.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Type the whole thing again, what you wrote in.
I don't remember what I wrote.
You just told me. Like 30 seconds ago.
That's roundabout what I wrote, but I don't know if it's
Okay.
exactly.
Yeah. We'll do the roundabout.
I don't even see the comment.
Mm.
Yeah, it disappeared because I think Joker Trade said good morning like right afterwards. Yeah, the comment disappeared.
Ruan pops in. He popped in to say gotta have dinner. Hey, guy. Oh, there we go. Ruan, deal me in. Ruan, hi, guys. Sorry, I missed it. Joker, nice. Joker, congrats. Congrats.
No, I'm not blaming you, Joker. I'm blaming Mike. I'm blaming Mike. He keeps censoring me.
Take a look, Joker. The BULENOX coin flip strategy. It traded today at 11:15. We are now currently at 6 winners, 1 loss. The account is at 50,400. It should be 50,500, but the first trade, which was a winner, I took on the wrong account. Hey, that's not bad, eh? It's tracking very well. Because it's a 100-point winner, 100-point loser, right?
What's that?
The account for the coin flip. It's not really experiencing too much slippage or commissions because it missed 1 trade.
Oh, you're saying $100?
Yeah, it missed a $100 trade, which would.
Oh, you said 100 points. I was like, what the hell is 100 points?
No, 10 points, 5 lot. That's $100. So it missed 1 trade. So if you add that $100, it would be at 50,500. It's perfect. It's right on the money. 5 winners, 5 net winners. So we won 600. We lost 100. That's plus 500, and it's at plus 400 because it missed 1 trade. Right, 6 and 1.
That means statistically we got to lose $500. But see, was it Friday? You was talking about fading it or whatever.
Ah, yeah, now, yeah.
And then I got another one.
Yeah, you never know. It could be like red and black in roulette. It can go for a very long time. I've played a lot of simulations and I've seen. I wonder what the record is, even if somebody knows what the record is on that.
On what?
Red and black. What would you think it is if I asked GPT what the record is? The known record.
You mean how many times it hits red and how many times it hits black?
No, consecutively.
Consecutively?
Yeah, like, you know, red.
I don't know that they track it, but if I was guessing, probably 20.
Yeah. Sure they track. Well, they put it on the machines. So if there's a crazy thing, it probably got in the news or something, or in Vegas newspapers. Anyways, let's ask GPT. Do you know?
I'm gonna guess 20.
Known record is for consecutive red or consecutive black on a roulette wheel in a casino is? It should have some information. Yes, the record for the most consecutive reds or blacks on a roulette wheel is officially known to be 32.
Golly.
Occurred in the casino in 1943. This is widely considered the longest documented streak in casino settings.
And you really are talking 50-50 there.
Anecdotal information is 36, but 32 is official. The probability of that happening at the beginning, you know, if you're just saying when it was 1 in 67 million. Kind of like winning the pick 6.
But then you also got to put in there that you said it was in, I think, 1947.
Yeah.
So was the casino scamming people?
I don't think you have to put 1947 for that.
Right. Well, they're more regulated now, I would think.
And what are the odds to win the pick 6 lottery? Here it's 1 in 14 million. Depends on how many numbers you pick from. One in 9
How much
million.
is the pick six?
For you guys, it says in the New Jersey pick six, it's 1 in 9 million. I don't know how many numbers you pick from. Here we have the 649 and we have the 646. So the more numbers you're picking from, the bigger the odds.
What's 646? I never heard of that. You
well,
pick six numbers?
Yeah, you pick 6 numbers out of 46. In Canada, it's 49, and it's 1 in 14 million. Yeah, 1 in 14 million. Yep.
Do y'all do like Powerball and stuff?
Well, I think Powerball is the same thing. What's Powerball? Powerball is even worse. I think it's a pick 7, no? You have to pick 7 numbers in Powerball? Makes it even harder.
I don't gamble.
No, I don't play the lotteries either. Do you know what the odds are? 1 in 14 million? Someone tells me to pick a number from 1 to 10. Most of the time I miss. Now you're telling me you're going to pick one person from the entire population of Canada? It's going to be me? When I can't even pick a number from 1 to 10?
Next jackpot, 11 hours, $364 million.
Shit, damn.
So if you want to play.
Crazy prizes.
But you only get half of it, so the cash value is only 164 million.
Well, no, they pay you. We have 2 choices. You can take the cash value, or you can take an annuity. No, like a piece every 20 years, or a piece every 40 years. No, a piece every year for 20 years, or a piece every year for 40 years.
I think it's 20 years. Maybe they changed it. I don't know.
How does Powerball work? Is it a pick 7?
What do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers?
No kidding. Powerball's not a pick 7. It's a pick 5 plus a Powerball, which makes it a 5 plus 1.
Yeah.
From 2 separate pools. I don't know what that means. Pick 5 white balls from 1 to 69. Wow.
Then you get a Powerball. Like, what's the power play?
26
times 3. So if you get all 6 plus the power play, do you get more?
Holy shit. To win the jackpot, 5 white balls plus the Powerball is 1 in 292 million.
I know there's a lot of people that throw a lot of money at it. Wow. And if they're still not winning, I don't need to give it my money.
Well, someone's going to win it. See, that's the thing everybody says, eh? That's how they get you. Everyone puts that in their head. Someone's going to win it.
Sooner or later. Could you imagine how many people play that and it goes weeks and weeks and weeks with no winner?
Yeah.
I mean, how is that even statistically possible?
I'm not against them if you play for a couple of bucks.
Then it's ran by the government, so you know it's corrupt as hell. Essentially what it is, the way I look at it is, the reason I don't play, it's basically like saying, I feel like I don't pay enough taxes. I would love to pay a little bit more.
Yeah.
So if you love paying taxes and you'd love to pay a little bit more, go play the lottery.
If you won $384 million, would you give me $1 million? Now the question is, how many people would say that to you, huh?
Right.
About 380 of them.
Oh man, you ever watch that? You ever watch that thing where it talked about lottery people?
Yeah, they run out of their money in a year.
Yeah, most of them are broke within a year.
Yeah,
miserable, broke.
It's tough.
It's horrible.
It's tough because all your family and friends will put immense pressure on you for you to give them.
I seen one guy. He wasn't even that much. It was a couple $1 million. But then he was like, "Well, I felt blessed, so I was like buying everybody everything they wanted." So basically, blew all his money on all his family and friends.
That's it.
And then when it was all gone, everybody was mad at him.
Yeah, no, you get put into guilt, I think.
And it's like, wait, you buy these people all this stuff, and then they're mad at you because you bought them this stuff and you didn't buy them enough.
Exactly. I talk
And
about that.
then he couldn't find the job because no job would hire him because he won the lottery.
I talk about that with my kids very often. I always told them, don't be the person that gets a lift from someone to work or to school for a year, and then they cut out the lift, and instead of you thanking them for them driving you for the year, you get pissed because it's stopping, like you're entitled to it. You know, be grateful what you got. Yeah, I used to give them that example all through their upbringing. I used to put that to their awareness. But you know what? You win the lottery, something like that. You put it in, you earn interest on it, or you buy an investment like a building where you'll get rental income. You spend the rental income, you spend the interest, and you keep your principal.
Problem is they post your face everywhere, and then everybody you've ever met's coming with a handout.
Well, there you go. So that's why you say, I can't. I invested in real estate. I own condominiums now.
Mm-hmm.
I can give you a good deal on a condo. I can give you a condo at like a lower rent if you need one.
There was one lady that was doing scratch offs. It was like win $1 million scratch off.
Wow.
And she won one. And she had a couple kids, so she went out and bought all her kids houses and cars.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, this was years ago, so you could actually buy a house and a car.
Yeah.
So she bought her kids houses and cars and blew all the money. And
okay, but her kids have homes.
Yeah. She's like, I got money, but I got exactly what I wanted with it. So that's good, you know. She's like, I want my kids to worry about their life, not having to find a house and a car.
Yeah.
But then she was still playing, and they're like, Mom, what are you doing? You know, you already won. She's like, well, then I already won. What's the problem? I can still play and have fun. I already won, so what's the matter? And then she won again.
Fuck. Good.
There was like 10 winning tickets, and she won 2 of them.
A deserving woman.
Mm-hmm.
She gave to her kids, and she got back.
But what's the odds, right?
That's crazy.
Like you have 10 winning tickets out of millions and millions of tickets, and she won 2 of them.
Well, you know what they tell you. I heard either I saw a documentary or read a story. If you want to see who's laundering money, just check who's winning big prizes in the lottery with regularity.
Oh, yeah?
That's a way to clean your money.
So what's that? You just take it all and buy lottery tickets?
Yeah. Yeah, you get taxed in the States, eh? So what did I say? Yeah, we pay for bank accounts, but lottery winners are tax-free here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they take like half the lottery winnings here.
Yeah, well, that's you hit the maximum tax rate. So it's probably really good to win the lottery if you live in a state where there's no state taxes.
It don't matter, I don't think.
Yeah, it should. Sure, it's income tax. That's where they're charging you. So if you don't pay state income tax, then you save that.
Well, every state has income tax.
Really? I thought Florida is a state with no income tax. Nevada, Maine. I thought there were a few of them in the U.S.
I don't know how that shit works. I don't know.
Or maybe it's sales tax. I don't know.
No, you pay sales tax, you pay income tax. I think you don't pay a state level income tax or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about, state tax. Are there any states in the U.S. that have no income tax for the state level? That's question number 1. Yes, there are currently 9. Alaska, Florida, Nevada, South Dakota, Texas, Tennessee, Washington, and Wyoming and New Hampshire.
So what does that mean? The rest of them have to pay even higher taxes?
States with no income tax often raise revenue in other ways, such as higher sales tax, higher property taxes, higher gasoline taxes. So no income tax doesn't always mean overall lower tax burden.
Yeah, I think Florida adds like 33 cents per gallon on gas tax.
What's the price of
But
gas in Florida as opposed to the price of gas in a state with state income tax? Let's see that one.
a lot of people used to go to Georgia to buy a bunch of gas.
No, Florida. Wow, it's very expensive. 309 per gallon. California around 448 per gallon right now. Shit.
I think New York and California is like the highest prices though, as far as gas prices. But I think California, like, I think they add a bunch of taxes onto their gas to make it like that.
You're doing good in Florida. The national average for gas is 315. So if you're at 309, you're below the national average. Oh, did you hear that?
What was it?
11:45.
Oh, you want to do another coin flip?
We have no choice.
Heads up. Let's do it. Tails.
Okay, sold 5. Oh, yeah, sold 5 at the market. Everyone's shorting now. The magic coin. The magic coin is predicting a 10-point drop in the market now. Well, you know where this trade really gets interesting? If we move into 5 points of drawdown, because now it's 15-point win for a 5-point risk, eh? I'm going to try that. 86, 89. Let me change accounts if I have time. Let me go to...
well, theoretically, no matter where the price is at, it would still be the same chances. And if you're doing so then you're doing a tighter stop loss for a...
Yeah, for a bigger gain. I just took a short. I'm short at 89, and I only got 3 points better. You should try for 5. Yeah, it makes it a 3-1. That is probably a very profitable strategy. I think we just discovered something.
Do the coin flip, wait for 5 points in.
Yep, and take it as
the negative.
Yep.
Take it as a 3-1. Could be. Have to talk to GPT about that. I feel like they're...
yeah, I'm going to code it. I think that'll work. I swear to God, I think that's a winning strategy.
I feel like there's something there that throw it off. All right, I'll be all right.
Yeah. $96.25 for a 3-lot. I'm coming up, just saying. We're just finishing this last trade. Buy, stop. $96.25 for a 3-lot. And where's the take profit? Is that 76.25? Yeah, it should be right. Buy limit 76.25. There we go, right under. Okay, let's go. I'm curious to see how much I lose or win. Do you think this would be a profitable strategy? You flip a coin, and if it's heads, you go short, long in an NQ. And if it's tails, you go short in NQ. But you don't enter. You let it go 5 points into drawdown, if it goes 5 points into drawdown, and then you take it. and now you're only risking 5 points, and your target is 15 points. So it becomes a 3-to-1 trade. Do you think the distribution would still be perfectly balanced, or this could turn it into a winning trade?
Nope. Problem is you're taking all the losing trades, missing a bunch of the winning trades.
Well, here it says, you're asking whether a random direction plus a structured entry and exit can beat the markets. Flip a coin, do not enter, wait for price to move 5 points, and enter, risking 5 points. You're not predicting direction. You're trying to let the market stretch a bit before you enter. Use a random entry. The core question, does entering a 5-point drawdown change the odds? On the surface, coin flips are 50-50, but markets aren't truly random. Here's what your strategy tries to exploit. Mean reversion or short-term pullbacks. Waiting for a 5-point drawdown before entering may increase your odds because you're effectively fading short-term momentum. You're entering when the market is a bit extended in the wrong direction. Wrong in quotes, just based on your coin flip. Even your win rate is only 30 to 35, you can still be net profitable. Strong trends. If NQ is trending, your wait for 5 points drawdown will just get steamrolled. You'll often get stopped out. No, but you don't know what side. False entries, distribution. Distribution not uniform. Even with a fair coin, the market's reaction is not 50-50. Pure coin flip. Break even. 3-to-1 R. Profitable only if win rate. Wait for drawdown if you filter strong trend day. Someone else can say no. Come on. How long is your fucking answer? Final thoughts. This could be break even to mildly profit in real world conditions if you're disciplined and control for trending environments. Okay, so I got stopped out. I lost $35 and the system lost 100.
You jinxed
it. I know.
You interacted with the physics.
I observed.
You observed it and changed it.
Want me to? How does GPT finish? Want me to code it up for you in NinjaTrader?
Right.
No. Okay, I'm going. My wife is sending me hearts. And you know what? I have one frozen pizza left in my oven, in my freezer, before we go on our diet, so I have to use it.
Is this the official diet this time?
It's the official diet this time. It's the law. Let me just update the numbers so I don't forget. Okay, so what are we at now? So that was a loser. Now we're 6-2. And
yeah, if you take the 5 points drawdown, you're essentially taking all the losers, but not all the winners.
Yep.
That's where it throws the odds off.
Yeah, but does it throw it off enough?
Because now you're not at a 50-50. Now you're at a like a 20% win rate.
Yeah. But again, when are you doing the observation? Theoretically, you are still at a 50-50 at that point. It's still the same scenario because you're playing the original scenario. You're not playing the new scenario. And the original scenario at that moment in time, it's still 50-50. Get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it. But
it's all up to interpretation.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You'd have to test it. Maybe that'll be the next test.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Is it the chart or is it the indicator?
Yeah, it's the chart. Okay, I'm gone. I'm closing up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go have lunch. I'm gonna go see what my the guys for the deck came back to retouch to fix it up. I'm gonna go see what damages they did. And I'll be streaming tonight. And that's it. That's all. Omnis, I guess I'll see you in the morning. I mean, I'll see you here in Discord a few seconds after we hang up, but I'm not going to stick around too long.
At least I was able to get on stream for the day.
Yeah, that was good. Had a couple of
not completely just be enraged and blow all my accounts.
Take care, Joker. Okay. Take care, everyone. See you tonight. Bye.
Bye.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.